Hi, my name is Bridgette, and I had the pleasure of being a founding student for Mindful Actor workshops.
Hi, I'm Sabrina.
My name's Elysia, and I recently just did the online MAW course. It's a very different course than I've ever taken in any other acting classes. You get to work with the chakras, which I've done in Reiki, but I've never actually used in acting, which is mind-blowing because it's so helpful and I've just never thought to do it before.
As an actor who's just starting out, I often get stuck in my head, and so this course has been really, really wonderful in reminding me that my entire body is my instrument, and there's so much more of me to be accessed than I think there is. As well, just as a human being, I have immensely enjoyed this course because there's such simple and concise techniques that I can just implement into my everyday life.
Going through the underactive chakra versus overactive versus balanced, I found that to be really unique and also just very helpful. I had my poem with me, and all three times the way I said my poem were very different based on the exercises that were there. And I love that it was in an audio format while I was walking around the room doing the exercise, because I felt like I had Missy's voice in my head, so that was cool.
I highly recommend Mindful Actor workshops to aspiring actors, brand new actors, experienced actors, people debating whether or not they want to be actors, or just humans in general, because yeah, an actor's instrument is their body, but everyone in the world uses their bodies, so might as well access as much of it as you can.
Missy's absolutely incredible, makes you feel very safe, and everyone that I talked to in the class is very respectful and awesome. So if you're an actor looking to take a new course, I highly, highly suggest this one.
And it's amazing because you can reach out to the online community if you have any comments or questions or concerns, as well as Missy. She's always accessible in that way as well. And so you get the support of a classroom learning environment, but there's none of the pressure of marks or deadlines.